COPA Trade Theory, previous paper, set 3, AITT, July 2019 annual examination with answers. Question number 1. This data type allows alphanumeric characters and special symbols. Answer B. Text. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a database object? Answer D. Relationships. Question number 3. Which field type can store photos? Answer B. OLE. Question number 4. Which of the following data type is used to store logical value in MS Access? Answer A. Yes or no. Question number 5. Any report including a basic report can be modified in dash. Answer C. Layout view. Question number 6. Word means dash. Answer C. Moving text automatically to the next line. Question number 7. The document can be zoomed maximum up to dash. Answer D. 500%. Question number 8. To select a sentence, click anywhere on the sentence while holding the following key. Answer B. Control. Question number 9. What is the shortcut key for subscript the selected text? Answer D. Control plus equal. Question number 10. Inside which HTML element do we put the JavaScript? Answer B. JavaScript. Question number 11. How to write an if statement in JavaScript? Answer B. Question number 12. HTML stands for dash. Answer A. Hypertext Markup Language. Question number 13. Closing A and opening A and closing A are tags used for dash. Answer D. Adding link to your page. Question number 14. Which tag tells the browser where the page start and stop? Answer A. HTML. Question number 15. Which tag can set the background color for your page? Answer B. Font. Question number 16. In the Tally software, which one of the directories stored all data entered by the user? Answer C. Data. Question number 17. Creating a new company in Tally from company information menu is possible by selecting dash. Answer D. Creating company. Question number 18. In Tally, which voucher type is used to transfer amount from one bank to another? Answer D. Contra. Question number 19. TDS is applied on which of the following income? Answer D. All of these. Question number 20. rates and taxes comes under dash group? Answer B. Duties and taxes. Question number 21. Which of the following VBA windows show the code of the active object? Answer D. Code window. Question number 22. The function procedures are dash by default. Answer A. Public. Question number 23. Extension of ActiveX Designer is dash. Answer A. .dsr. Question number 24. In Visual Basic, the declaration of variables is done by dash keyword. Answer B. dim. Question number 25. Dash is the property which is used to hide the content in text box with some symbols. Answer D. Password character. Question number 26. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the answer C. Operating system. Question number 27. The initial value of the semaphore that allows only one of the many processes to enter their critical section is dash. Answer B. 1. Question number 28. An algorithm is best described as dash. Answer B. A step-by-step procedure for solving a problem. Question number 29. Which of the following is false about disk when compared to main memory? Answer D. Faster. Question number 30. Which of the following are the function of an operating system? Answer D. All of these. Question number 31. Which of the following tool allows you to change your default ActiveX window desktop? Answer A. Switch disk. Question number 32. When did IBM release the first version of disk operating system, DOS version 1.0? Answer A. 1981. Question number 33. Bullets and numbering is in dash tab. Answer A. Home tab. Question number 34. Which of the following is graphic solution for word processor? Answer A. Clip art. Question number 35. Which file starts MS Word dash? Answer B. winword.exe. Question number 36. Portrait and landscape are dash. Answer C. Page orientation. Question number 37. Which of the following line spacing is invalid? Answer C. Triple. Question number 38. Which of the following is the latest version of MS Word? Answer C. Word 2010. Question number 39. The last address of IP address represents? Answer C. Broadcast address. Question number 40. How many layers does OSI reference model has? Answer D, 7. Question number 41. Difference between T568A and T568B is? Answer D, just different manufacturer standards. Question number 42. Home access is provided by? Answer D, all of these. Question number 43. JavaScript is a or an dash language? Answer C, scripting. Question number 44. The unary operator type of returns dash if operand value is null. Answer B, object. Question number 45. The dash operator expects a left side operand that is or can be converted to a string. Answer C, instance. Question number 46. JavaScript code is written inside file having extension dash. Answer .js. Question number 47. The script tag must be placed in? Answer B, head or body. Question number 48. The best product to sell in B2C e-commerce are? Answer B, digital products. Question number 49. All of the following examples are examples of real security and privacy risk except? Answer B, spam. Question 50. VAT is imposed? Answer D, on all stages between production and final sale.